So we're going to take Shayna's hair and we are going to cut a bob. Nice. This is a money piece. Wow, look at this beautiful, amazing model. This is Shayna. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. So listen, she wants a fresh new look. So even though she looks stunningly beautiful with long hair, okay, stunningly beautiful with long hair, she wants a change. Are you ready for a change?
Yes.
She is ready. So just hold on, guys, and stay tuned for this beautiful, amazing, outstanding change. Hey winners, it's Coach Kimmy here. Just remember one thing, most important thing, you're a winner. You've always been a winner since the day you were born, and you'll always be a winner till the day you go to heaven. I want you to hold that into your heart and always say it every single day. It will go into your paradigm and you will believe it. Sometimes we don't believe that we're a winner, but I want to teach you some new skill set. But I want to teach you the tools that get me to the great results that I have, right? So your tools are so important. It's like a carpenter that needs different tools for different things to build a beautiful house. So Hanzo is probably one of my favorite. Okay, so this is a great scissor, super expensive, but it cuts like butter. It cuts so amazing and good. It like literally doesn't, you see, you don't even hear it. You don't even hear it when it snaps. And you always make sure that you have this little part here because it helps it so it doesn't hit hard. The last haircut I didn't use these, and I'm telling you what a difference when you have a really good scissor. So Hanzo, now let me show you the different scissors that I have. Okay, so look, right here. Okay, so I have a thinning shear that when somebody has pretty thick hair and I need it to be softer, these are incredible chunkers to take some weight out of the ends or the middle. These are a thick thinning shear. I'm not using them today, but I just want to show you, and you should always clean off your blade because I still had some hair on there. Not okay, so you always do that. These are my 8-inchers. Listen, I love these scissors. Look at how gentle and easy, and you're always just using one finger. When you cut hair, you're cutting hair like this, with your thumb only moving. You're gonna take that scissor, and why? Because think of a paper cutter, you just slice down and it's a beautiful cut. So when you're just using your finger only, your thumb, it's just slicing down. It's gonna be a perfect cut. But if you take both of your hands and do this, like think of a paper that you're cutting, it's zigzag. You don't want that. You really want to have control and you want form to make sure that you're using the right way. Thumb only. If you need to practice, you literally put your hand on a table like this and you could just practice using your thumb only. All right, so that's that. Now, this is my beautiful, amazing razor. Listen, it's called a feather razor, one of my fave. Now, I change the blade every single time that I'm gonna cut hair. So, we are gonna do a beautiful, incredible striking bob today on beautiful Shayna. And this is gonna be the bad boy that I'm gonna use. Now, why do I love to use a razor for a bob haircut? So a bob haircut really needs to come under. It needs to have a nice line, but then you want it to stack going under. So a razor, when you cut a nice ledge of that razor, it's ever so slightly stacking it. And that's why I love razor cuts for certain things. And all your tools are for certain things, but that's why I want to show you. When I do notching, I use my pointy one. Okay, these are awesome for, and you know what? What's the brand? It says, here, I'm just gonna show you up close. Okay, they're not expensive like my Hanzo scissors, but they're a great scissor. I love them because they're really sharp. See how tiny? And I notch. I take little tiny pieces when I notch. That's the one biggest question that I have a lot is people say, how do you notch? And what does it look like? Some people think they take a lot of hair out. Listen, notching is ever so slightly little individual pieces of the hair to pull out so it's not so heavy. So I want you to remember, notching is the tip only. So I love a sharp scissor for notching. And so that's it for there. So we're gonna get started. We're gonna use a beautiful comb. And most of the time we use this side right here. And here's the bigger part. But really for what we're gonna be doing, we're gonna use this side. And then I'm gonna use my feather razor for this beautiful bob. Get ready, stay tuned. Hey guys, you're a winner. You've always been a winner. You'll always be a winner. Just remember that. I'm Coach Kimmy, and this is Shayna, our beautiful model for today. So she wants a fresh, beautiful change. So we're gonna turn her around to show you her hair. Okay, she wants an incredible, beautiful bob. How fun is that gonna be? So stay tuned and get ready to do a beautiful bob with a razor. You ready? Let's get ready. Hey guys, I'm just gonna tell you what I'm putting in her now. So I love this. This is called Invante Ultra Advanced Thickening Foam. Okay, I want power in this hair. I want it to be nice and free, but I want power. So I'm gonna take 1, 2, 3, 4 little marshmallows. Okay, I'm gonna put it in both hands. I'm gonna really grab, pat, 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 pat.
Smells good too.
Smells really, really good. I'm
Very
gonna put a little
calming.
underneath. And she loves to go back and forth with her part. So I'm gonna put a little of thickening tonic. Okay, so where can you get these products? You go on my website, moderntechniques.com, and you're gonna be able to get the products on our website. So that's where you get them. This is thickening tonic. You can order it right there. So if you're around the world, I've had people from Germany, I've had people from Australia. It's so awesome. And thank you so much for your love and support. And don't forget to subscribe and just help me out so I can bring better content to you. It's so awesome. Send the love, share the love. If you know somebody wants a bob haircut, or if a hairdresser needs to learn this haircut, this is a great one for you. And the products are magnificent. Just saying. Okay, now we're gonna flip her upside down. All right, so this is something else that I want you guys to see. See all these beautiful little pieces? Like here, this one, this one. So that's from the top. You need to check those. Okay, so that's the thing. Haircut's never done until you're fully finished. So I'm gonna take that hair back just to see. See, there we go. You're gonna take that, gonna ever so slightly. Beautiful. Grab these pieces, have it on that slight angle. Beautiful. Always checking it. And color is gonna make a difference. Okay, now I'm gonna like take a brush. I'm gonna show you now. I didn't do it with a brush at all yet. Or look how good it looks without even a brush. And I will tell you, this is a Shark blow dryer, and this is a ceramic ion speed. It's called LX. And it doesn't, it says, what number? It says 35. Can you see that? A 35. And it's about, look, if I put my hand on it, it literally goes around all the way. I would say it's probably like 3/4 of an inch. It's not a full inch. It doesn't seem that way to me. It's like 3/4 of an inch. But I do like this because it will round that out. Look how beautiful it's already rounding out on its own with a little bit of help. It doesn't need a lot of help. It just needs a little bit more to make it even more stacked. Soft PC sexy haircut. Now we are going to check it again, and now I'm going to get my other scissors out that I really love. Okay, these are my bad boys. See how big they are, but there's certain things I want to do this hair that I want it to like full naturally. I want to turn her. Now you see right here, I want that to be a little more. Yeah. Okay, now I'm going to also take some of this hair. Now this is her first time getting a beautiful brush bob kind of haircut. So I really don't want to make it super short just yet because, you know, I will the next time. Like let's say she wants to go shorter. I can the next time. But when somebody's doing it for the first time, I wouldn't go super short when they're so used to long hair. Trust me. They don't always, like, sometimes they'll freak out about it because they're like, oh my God, you cut all my hair off. And this way you're safe because you're like, okay, you left it longer so they still feel like they have their front. Now I'm going to take this, get it out of there. I want to put more space in that hair. I want it to just flow and have this beautiful, nice, free-flowing hair. Beautiful. Okay, now I want to see the back. Okay. Look how pretty that back is. See, I want to break it up a little bit too. So look at, I'm going to pull this up. I'm going to go in there, take some bulk out of it. See that hair? That's all extra bulk. Now I'm just going to take that piece out and take this next piece. I'm going to see right here's thicker and right here's thicker. Yeah, that looks so pretty. Go to the next side. I'll grab this hair up here because this is her heavier side too. I really want to get some of that hair. I can put a curtain bang in here. I could do so many things, but we're going away because this is my sister-in-law. So I'm going to see how she does with it on vacation. And then we'll see if we need to do more, you know, but now she could still pull it back. That's why I don't really want to give her a curtain bang, because she's a nurse and well, she's going to school for nursing. Are you a full nurse yet?
No.
Okay, but she's on her way. And so that's the goal. Nurses have to put their hair back all the time. Get some of that bulk out. Yeah, she's got some heavy hair. Remember, this is her thicker side too. You see the bend there. You go where that bend is. Even here. Oh my gosh, look how pretty that hair is. See how it just falls? Now you can shake that baby out. Now let's give us a nice little like turnaround. Yeah, and that's how she'll do her hair both ways. Look how pretty it'll look if she goes this way or the other way. Let's go the other way. Right, like there. Now this is her natural look right here. Now listen, there's other ways that I could do this, Bob, that I want to show you. Okay, so right now this is the first one that we're going to do on her, but I could take more hair out of here if I want. I have another customer that loves this to be tapered in a little bit more and she likes it a little higher. But for now, I love that Shayna did this beautiful transformation and change. It looks absolutely beautiful. She could go both ways. She could flip it the other way and have it a little bit higher. Let's see the back. See? Beautiful. Beautiful. Awesome. Thank you so much, Shayna.
I love it. I have so much confidence now.
Good.
I love it. I love it. I love it.
Perfect. All right, guys. So that is a beautiful brush bob haircut. Okay, so the picture she gave me had someone that had a little bit thinner in the front. She had more hair. So you're always thinking the law of relativity. You got to like make sure it's comparable to what you're doing and what you're using. Somebody might have thinner hair or thicker hair. And you have to make measures to figure out how can you make it similar to that on them. So always remember, using your imagination, thinking, how can I get it to look close to that? But of course I didn't want to go that short, especially she had shorter pieces in the front, the lady, like right here. And I thought I'd rather her have long hair here so she could put it up and do things. And then the next time I do her hair, we can say, okay, and remember this, when you're doing somebody new, you're always going to say, I want to work with your hair 3 times. Give me 3 chances to get your hair perfect, right? Because it takes time to learn somebody's hair, how it works, the way their cowlicks go. And let me tell you, get better and better at that hair. And always think when they leave, okay, next time, let's try this. But you got to find out what they say when they come back. If she's like, you know what, I love it, and I love it growing longer, or I want it even shorter, you know, you break them in a little. So this is Coach Kimmy. I hope you enjoy this beautiful brush bob. And you are a winner. You've always been a winner, and you'll always be a winner. And don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for the love and support that you have given me through all this time. I so appreciate it. Mwah, mwah, mwah. I love you guys. Have a great day.